So you're wondering whether to get this mini mugshot and you don't know how you're going to print it. Well, one of the options is if you or a friend, or you can get your local Best Buy or Maplin's to let you print your mini mugshot on a 3D printer like this, the excellent Ultimaker. You can print them out for about $1 a piece, depending on where you get your plastics. And here's the standby electricity. Yep, that's just 7 watts. It uses 33 grams of PLA or ABS. You can see a reel there. It gets fed through this and over there into the head. So one of the options is to use a service like iMaterialize. Here I've uploaded the Santa Paws model, and you can see you can rotate it around, check it's fine, and if I choose a range of different materials, you can see here the cost for printing one out. And what I've done down here is I've got 6 in there. You get a discount for doing multiple copies of the print, and it's giving me a price there of 84.48 euros for 6 mini mugshots. Another option is Shapeways, and here I've uploaded the mini mugshot. And you can see if I go to this that we have a 3D model here. We can have a look inside at the chili spike, and you can see the supports there for the printing, and there's our character. Great thing about sites like these is they have a range of materials you can print in. So this one is printing in strong and flexible white plastic for 34 euros and 25, but maybe I can choose violet purple or coral red or hot pink. Hot pink would be fun, wouldn't it? 37.56. Now you might think that sounds like quite a lot for one print, but these are early days, and remember you get the 3D print file, so as the cost of these things come down, you'll be able to print in a range of materials. So one of the options is the excellent new 3D Hub site, where you can basically upload your models and then find any one of, I think, how many has it got now? 2,338 3D printers around the world. There you can go and see lots of different locations where you can get these things printed. Plenty in Europe and America, all over Australia, China. And it's growing at a really huge rate. So as people get 3D printers, they can go up on this site, say, look, I've got a 3D printer, I'm willing to print for other people. And you sign up to this site, and once you've signed up, you can upload a model. So here I've got my account, and I'm going to just browse for a file here, and I'm going to choose the Santa Paws model. That's uploading, so it'll take a little while for it to upload. So back to here whilst it's uploading, and essentially what you do is you choose which service provider you want to provide you with the printing service and the number of units you want them to print, and you'll get a price. 3D Hubs takes a 15% margin and for operating the service and checking the files. So go back and see what's doing there. So it's about halfway. So essentially you can see down the bottom here, whilst that's loading, you can specify your experience, what's it for, and down here your kind of location of where you want to be printing this. So I'm saying I'm in Los Angeles here, and my description is a 6 centimeter high shot glass. Okay, so it's processing the file now. It's already uploaded it. Took a little bit of time for processing. Okay, so it just took a couple of minutes to upload and process it. You can see it's quick rendering of the object in there and its estimation of the volume. And then essentially what you do is you go down and hit select hub for printing. What that's going to do is it's going to choose that location that you say you're in, Los Angeles. And I think what we'll do is we'll specify within a 50-kilometer radius and that I'm going to pick it up. And it's going to give me some options here. So it says that this chap, Josh's hub, can print in ABS and he can do 1 unit in for $9.38. So that's pretty good for a little test unit. Let's go back and change the quantity. So I'm going to change the quantity now. So we're going to have a party and we want 6 units. And I'm going to go and select my hub for printing. Okay, so change that to 50 and pick up. Ooh, maybe I didn't press OK or something in the quantity. Let me just have a look at that. Okay, so now I've got 6 and Josh is saying that he will print 6 in ABS, which is good, for $32.36. So for 6 units that's a little over $5. So you just change your location field there. I've changed it to New York. And we've got some prices down here, say $54 there, $46, so a little bit more pricey in New York. Now we're in London and we're getting prices, let's say 65 or 62, so about £10 a mug. Amsterdam, and I'm seeing sort of prices about €61.85. Berlin, sort of I don't know, €70.